of the game. It's a rich thing.
You must be knowing that India is rich in culture and heritage. Ancient coins are primary source of history which conveys names of the kings with their titles, places, events, achievements and logos. So today we are going to visit an interesting place where we will get to learn evolution of currencies which occurred in India. So hey, welcome to episode number 2 of Vlogging and Crafting. So today we are going to visit RBI Monetary Museum which is situated in Mumbai in port area. So let's go there.
You cannot click pictures or make videos. You will find 3 major types of categories in museum. One is coinage, second is paper money, third is miscellany. In coinage you will find ancient currencies of different period. The coins were made out of silver, gold, copper, etc. In paper money section, you will find paper money before and after independence. You can also see ancient period cash coupons, Hajj, etc. In miscellany section, you will find hundis, bonds and shares, etc. of ancient times. If you want to study about ancient period coinage, then one can visit this place. One can visit this place free of cost.
It's crafting time. So when I was visiting RBI Monetary Museum, there was a corner where they were reusing old coins for making hairpins and necklaces as such. So today we are going to make different ornaments out of coins. So let's do it.
So here I am using a stud head pin for making coin earring. I am going to stick this stud by using hot glue on 2 rupees coin. And yes, you can see the results. So now let's make coin necklace. Now let's arrange coins and glue them with threads. Those threads have hook on it so that we can wear it. We can drill the coins and insert jump ring inside the coins, but I did not want to destroy my coins, so I had used hot glue. Whoa! You can see the results. The necklace is looking so pretty. Now I am using safety pin. Now let's glue it and stick on safety pin. And yeah, it's done. It's looking so awesome. The another idea is to make ring. So let's glue coin on any old ring. And you can see the results. It's looking so awesome. Here I had took hairpin and I'm going to stick 2 coins on it. So your hairpin is ready. Now let's try to make Mang tikka out of ordinary thread. So I had stick coins on that thread. And your super cute Mang tikka is ready.
imagination and create your own ornaments. You can use it for making bangles, you can use it for making payal. There was another corner where they were reusing all damaged notes, old notes. So they were reusing all paper currencies which were torn, damaged as such, and they were making a decorative item, decorative tray and suitcases. If you want me to make paper currency video, then write down in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.